put your eggs in the basket. What have you found?
What is it? That's it. Put in your basket. Can you see any others? Wow. No more down there. Come over here. Come over here. Jacob.
Some more. Bring your basket. Look.
What's that there? Look at there. Jacob. Jacob.
Wow.
Jacob, what's in the car? And what's up there? Yeah. Up you go.
Oh, fish.
Go up one more step. It's not fish, mate. What is it? Ooh. Okay, take those and what? Yeah, just throw it on the floor.
Another egg. Can you come down and put it in your basket? I made it in.
Okay. Jacob, what's in the car? Have a look in the car. Over here. Quickly, quickly.
Quickly.
Have a look under the seat. What's under the seat?
Here you go.
Put it in your basket.
Put it in your basket a minute.
Do you even know what an Easter egg is?
Oh,
Don't throw it.
come on. What's over here?
What's over there? Where's Mummy?
An egg. Clever boy. In the basket. That's it. We found them all.
Do you want us to hide them again?
Was that good fun?
Look at Daddy. Look at Daddy. Oi. Jacob. 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 Jacob, look at Daddy. Jacob, say Happy Easter.
Come.
It's wet up there, puppy.
Two.
Two. You break them.
Two. No! No!
There's one more. What are you doing?
That.
Say cheese. Do you want to see what's inside the paper? Do you want to see what's inside there? Mummy, help you. Look there. What do you think it is?
Cock. Cock.
Chocolate. You're not stupid, are you?
Do do.
Mummy will give you that piece. Oh no, she swallowed it. Nice? What is it, Jacob?
Cock. Cock.
Nice? Go. Mmm.
Mm.
Is that a bit big?
Jacob, can Daddy have some? Give some to Daddy. Okay, say bye. Good boy.
Doesn't make the steps any cleaner.
No.
No, it's still covered in. No, it's in there, look. Mmm. You must pick those in before we go out, or else they'll be melted.
Is that fun?
Cock.
You dancing? Do a little march for me. Left, right, up, 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 up. Go, 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 go. Do you know what's that called, Jacob? What's that?
Cock.
Easter egg.
Okay.
It's an Easter egg.
Okay.